Step 1. Connect CardioSecure to your mobile device and start the CardioSecure app. It will guide you through the whole process. Step 2. Next, attach 4 disposable electrodes to the colored cable ends of the ECG cable. Step 3. Now you have to place the electrodes as indicated in the app. Remove the adhesive pads from the white electrode and place it on the upper end of the breastbone. It needs to be placed directly on the bony part that lies between your collarbones. After removing the adhesive pad, the yellow electrode is placed on the lower end of your breastbone, again right on the bony part. Once you've removed the adhesive pad from the red electrode is placed on the right side of the body. That is easy to remember. Both right and red start with an R. Please make sure that the red electrode is placed on the same line as the yellow one, centered below your armpit. The green electrode needs to be placed also on the same height as the yellow and red electrodes, but on the left side of the body. Once all electrodes are attached, the green and the yellow electrodes should be placed in one horizontal line on your chest. Step 4. You can initiate a reading as soon as all electrodes are placed correctly. Step 5. After a calibration phase, the device will automatically start a 10-second reading. You can see your actual heart rate in the middle of the circle. Please sit calmly while CardioSecure is taking the reading. After the reading is done, CardioSecure will instantly compare your actual reading to your baseline reading. As a result, it will give you a recommendation to act and show you that there are no ECG changes, white screen, minor irregularities, yellow screen, or even major irregularities, red screen.